So hello everyone. Anyone who is watching this live stream after this streams and you can just um, comment for this live stream. So we're going to start in just few seconds with today's problem. This is the day 6 of a 150 days stream. So for this problem we just solved all the 5 problems. And if you think we can optimize it further, you can just uh, stop me and you can just tell me here itself. So let us go to the rotate array. Right, this is the problem number 189, and let us see how we can solve it. Right. So, but before that, let me tell you what they are asking us at the first point. Right, we are going with the array and rotate the array to the right by k steps. Right, where k is non-negative. Let me tell you how does it works. Imagine the array which we are given with is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the k which we are given with is 3. Now what I'll do, keep for 3 times, I'll do one thing. 9 will be at the first point, 8 will be here, and then 7 will be here. If I just rewrite it or do one step after the another, for after one transformation, I'll just get 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. If I just transform it again, I'll just get 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Now, if I do it again, I'm just doing for 3 times. 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you see, the only thing which we are doing is take the last number, put it in the front. That's it. That's what the rotating means, right? So, we cannot go directly to the intuition, but let me tell you what the concepts were. So, n can be till 1e9, nums of I till 1, 1024, I think, nums of I, and k is also till 1e5. So how can we solve it? But we are given with the follow-up. Try to come up with as many solutions as you can. There are at least 3 different ways to solve this problem. Could you do it in place with big of one extra space? Let me tell you, num's length is 1 if you just take the last element, remove it, and then push it into the front. It will take much more time, right? But let us see. As k is equal to 3, what if k is 10? Or let's take a simple example. Let's take a simple example like 1, 2, 3, 4, or just 3. Now, if I'm asked with k is equal to 5, let me tell you how does it gives the answer. For I'm just transforming it for one time. So I'm just writing the condition here. What if k is greater than n? I'm answering this thing. Now, example, explanation of the problem, right? So let me just take this out. Let me just take this out. Now I have clear view. So rotate array. This is the problem which we are solving, right? 189 rotate array. So we have answered two things. We have just explained what if k is equal to 3 for a long array. What if k is greater than n? So I have done one transformation. Let me do another. 2, 3, 1. Let me do another. 1, 2, 3. But if you see, I have just come to the same thing again. But let's go forward. Then I'll get 3, 1, 2. I have done these transformations for 4 times. Let me do it again. 2, 1, 3. Now, just imagine what would I do if k is equal to 2, right? Let me tell you. If k is equal to 2, 1, 2, 3 would change as 3, 1, 2. And again, 2, 3, 1. You see, I'm making a mistake, this same mistake every time. This should be here and this should be here, right? So I think that's it. This answers the one thing which I want to figure you out is if k is greater than n, then just do k is equal to k mod n. Why? Because if you do the same transformation for n times, why? Because let me answer why. Why? If you do same, if you rotate the array for n times, then you get the same array, same original array. There will be no changes. So why will you have to do so many times instead when you can just do it for one time, right? So let's go forward. Let us see how we can we can solve it. Now, the brute force approach. Let me tell you what is the brute force approach. Brute force approach. Imagine I have the array as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, where k is equal to 3. If I just give instance for this, I would get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, there is one thing which I want you to catch. Is n is equal to 10, then n minus k, 10 minus 3 will be 7, right? Now, 7 minus 1 would be 6, right? So what I'm thinking is, what if we take this and push it into an array, right? We just do this and push that back into a temporary array and name it as TEMP. Now I have 7, 8, 9. Now the second transformation which I would do for this is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would start with 3. This is the index. This is just k. I would just transform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm thinking like I have a 3, right? So imagine, I think I need to transform it in this way 6, 5 to 8, 4 to 7, 3 to 6, 2 to 5, and then 1 to 4, right? I think you got this point. So what I'm doing here, just swapping them or just assigning them, right? Here, what I just did, take the last k elements into temp array, right? Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all that stuff. So here, this is k, right? So let me tell you, this this is n minus k minus 2, if I'm not wrong. Let me tell you, that would be n is, wait a second, n is 9, right? Sorry, that's my bad. N minus k, uh, 9 minus k would be right. Minus 2 would be 6. Now I have n, which is 9, minus k is 3, which is 6, which would be at which point? This point, 6, minus 1, not 2, it would be 1, right? I think you understood what I was saying. Okay. N minus k minus 1 here, and minus k minus 2 for that. No. N minus k minus 3. Let me take this. Here, if I just give the indices, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? N minus k. N is 9 minus 3, which is 6, minus 1 would be 5. That would be 5. So we are correct. N minus k minus 1. So what would be here? I think I'm just messing it up, right? N minus k. 9 minus 3 would be 6, right? 9 minus 3 would be 6. That's where we are starting. So I think there is no need of doing any difference. So starting from there, we can just start it from there. N minus 3 minus 1 would be 5. So let us take it as start, right? So our start will be n minus k minus 1. So loop till our start is greater than or equal to 0. So start is greater than or equal to 0. So we'll just uh, swap it with nums of st plus 1, start plus 1. So nums of start, start plus k is equal to nums of start. That's it. Now we, if you do this, then you would get the array like this: 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We need 7, 8, 9, which we have pushed that back into the temp array, right? So what we do, we just iterate, we just iterate, iterate, temp array, temp array, and change the first k elements. So if you do that, you would get like this: 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. But let me write the algorithm for this, and you can just write the code, the pseudocode, or just directly the code. Let us go. So here, n is equal to nums dot size. That's the first thing. That's how you start. And k which we are already given with. So we'll start with for I is equal to n minus k. I is less than n. I plus plus. We'll just push that back into temp array. But before that, we just need temp array initialized. So temp dot push back nums of I. Right? Now I have pushed that back. Now I have these all n minus k minus 1. We'll be starting with n minus k minus 1. So for I is equal to n minus k minus 1, right? I should be greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. We will just say nums of I plus k as nums of I. Now we just need to transform this into this. That's the last step. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than k, I plus plus nums of I is equal to temp of I, and then just return nums at the end. Let me just do the same thing here, and we just don't need to return anything. Where the function is void function, right? Here, let me write the code. I plus plus temp dot n minus k. I'm very sorry. Temp dot push back nums of I. Then for int I is equal to n k minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Now nums of I plus k is equal to nums of I. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than k, I plus plus. So just say nums of I is equal to 10 of I. That's it. We can submit it, but I'm thinking we might get a okay. Nums is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 2. So just do one thing. K is equal to k mod n. N mod k. I'm just so sorry. Okay. I think that's how you solve this. And mod k is equal to and mod k, right? We got the good one. Here, oh my God, just k mod n. If the k is greater than n, we'll just, okay, let me submit that. Okay, now let me tell you how we can do this without, you know, these all these. Let me write that. Here, we'll start off with an example. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us just imagine 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where k is equal to 3. Now, if you see the answer which you need to return is 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The only thing is, if you see 7, 8, 9, this should be at the front. Instead, it is at the last. This is going in the forward direction. This is going in the forward direction. That means they are just increasing. Now say, let us just say, imagine you have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you see one thing? Just this tweak. Let me tell you. Here you got 6 and then 7. But this 6 and 7 are far away. Here you see 1 and then 9, but here you see 1 and then 1 and 9. They are just adjacent. Let me tell you, what if I just, reverse it? I'm just reversing it so that this one, I want it to keep it just adjacent to 9. Right? That's what here we have. I'm just trying it out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's how I got reverse the first section. Right? Now, I can have 7, 8, 9, but that's not a problem. The problem comes is, you got a 1 here, you got a 1 here, and the adjacent is 9, right? So, what if I just reverse only this part? That's how you come to the answer 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9, 8, 7. Now, now, just read it backwards. Read it backwards. You have the same thing. 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the same thing. 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what we just did is we reversed the first section, we reversed the last section, right? And we just reversed the whole thing. That's it. That's all I think. Now, imagine I just did it in another way. Here, imagine I'm just trying out another ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know I have to reverse the last one, but let us see. I'm just reversing the first and the last one. 3, 2, 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, if I just reverse this, I think I'm not getting the correct answer. Yes, I'm not getting the correct answer. That's why we need to reverse the last three elements first. Just imagine, what if I just reverse it at the first step? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, just see the magic here. Just see the magic. Here, I have 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first three elements just reverse them. 7, 8, 9. First, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how do I reverse it first? This reverse is done by reverse nums dot begin, comma, nums dot end. Right? How do I reverse the first three elements and the last three elements? I'll just reverse it by reverse nums dot begin, comma, nums dot begin plus k. That's the first three elements. Now reverse nums dot begin plus k plus 1, comma, nums dot end. I think you got it. I'm just gonna write the code here, but let me take this out. Now we are just saying it as reverse nums dot begin, nums dot end, right? So the same thing. That nums dot begin plus k, nums dot begin plus k plus 1, comma, nums dot end. Let me run. I forgot second should run correctly. Yeah. K is equal to k mod n. Just int n is equal to nums dot size. We got it. Okay, we got the wrong answer. Nums dot begin. I think here it's an okay. We are getting something wrong, I think. Yeah. First thing, let us see how does viewers work in C++ template library? Vector dot begin, vector dot end. Vector is now okay. And what is the size? Okay. What is the size which I want to? It would be K. First, what we are doing, we are just reversing. Okay, we are just reversing. Now nums dot begin, comma nums dot begin plus K. Then nums dot begin plus K plus 1, comma nums dot end. That's it, right? No. Getting a wrong answer for something. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What if we do it in this way? Nums dot begin, comma nums dot begin. No. Okay. Nums dot begin, comma nums dot begin plus K. Okay. So here I would start. I don't know why is it giving me a wrong. Yeah. First we are saying nums dot begin and nums dot end. Then nums dot begin plus K. Okay, okay. I think we just need to do nums dot begin plus K. That's it. We are good to go. Yeah, everyone, thank you so much for attending this live session. Everyone, thank you. So if anyone is having any doubts, please let me know. We just have 1 minute before we end this.